Who's making that noise? Fuck, it's all over the place.
Told you, as soon as we saw it, just chill. I was over here running.
Well, I don't think I'm gonna be getting much sleep.
It's like AR.
I don't know what to compare it to.
Are you walking around upstairs?
Ah, shit, I can't really get over there. You might have to do it. You want to play the...
Well, it starts making footsteps again. I'm really nervous of getting up from this bed now because I don't know if it's gonna.
Some sketchy looking wall there.
Oh shit! Don't.
It looks like it could crumble anytime.
Don't say it near me. Come on. The fuck?
At least it closed.
Hmm?
It closed. That's good.
The fuck?
What? You hear something?
Yeah, you can hear that little. Unless it's a heater.
I heard the frogs.
No, it sounded like tapping again. Or knocking. Ooh, ooh. Are you still recording?
Yeah, I don't have much time either, so if you can play that.
Can you get like a relevant number? I think I was at the Hill House.
Yeah, that's really clear.
I'll probably get in trouble if I put the